Parents certainly go to great lengths to protect their kids from any potential illness, but our part of the country in particular faces a health care issue at home.
We're talking about lead poisoning, and News Center Maine's David Guilford explains a push in our state to educate more families and replace aging homes that put kids at risk.
National Lead Poisoning Prevention Week is next week, and it might sound like a problem from yesteryear, but for a lot of Mainers, it's a very real concern.
Unfortunately, it's still a big problem. And you're right, the housing stock throughout New England is a very old housing stock.
Lead-based paint was outlawed in 1978, but Maine sure has its share of beautiful yet antique homes. In fact, in Portland, the city estimates half of all homes there were built before 1950. Val Johnstone helps lead outreach around the city.
This is currently a problem that we see in Portland and Westbrook and throughout Maine, and so it's really important that they are testing both their homes and their families.
She said just a few grains of lead dust can poison a child, and lead poisoning can lead to developmental issues. Lewiston also has its share of old homes and has fought for decades to rid neighborhoods of lead-painted homes.
So for many years, the city of Lewiston has ranked #1 in the state for the number of childhood lead poisoning that has been occurring. It's mostly due to the age of our housing stock.
Tens of millions of federal dollars have come in to address the issue, including this 180-plus unit housing project that started in July. Half of the units there are dedicated to replace old housing stock where lead was found. Over the past decade, Lewiston leaders say they've cut their lead poisoning cases in half, but the work goes on. David Guilford, News Center, Maine.